है ना, लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट. Very very important topic. Questions are coming from this topic also. So what is scattering of light? Let us understand. See, acha, one question I am asking you. You might have seen something fall down inside the table, yeah, inside the benches, desks, wherever you are sitting in the school or office, wherever. It is visible to you. Can you imagine why it is visible to you? See, light is outside, but inside the door, inside the bench, desk, inside the bed, है ना, there also some lights are coming. What is the cause of this light? Yes, this is scattering. ये जो सुबह सुबह जो जैसे the imagine in the morning you think about, I'm talking about the morning. In the morning you think the sun is still under the horizon, I mean below the horizon. Then also everywhere जो it seems like light is there, wow, everything is visible. जिसको हम लोग सुबह सुबह कहते हैं भोर हो गया, है ना, भोर सुबह. So that time जो भोर की जो सुबह की जो भोर है ना, that is visible and everywhere the whole sky is visible at that time. Early morning, you think about the early morning, when you early in the morning get up, that time I am talking about, I mean nearby 5 o'clock, 5 to 5:30. That time also everywhere the sky is appearing visible to us, and the sun is not appearing, the sun has not rises up, then also everywhere the sky is visible. Why this happen? This is due to scattering. So what is बच्चों scattering? Scattering is nothing but the spreading of white light, यानी the phenomenon of spreading of light, or better to write sunlight, ठीक है ना, in all possible direction, all possible direction, ठीक है, on passing through the tiny most particle, TMP I am writing, you understand, I am talking about the tiny most particle, है ना, the sustainable particle present in atmosphere. ठीक है बच्चों. तो what is the meaning of scattering of light? Scattering means the phenomenon of, it is nothing but the phenomenon of spreading of white light, I mean spreading of sunlight in all possible direction. जैसे देखो सनलाइट जो है, जैसे मान लो ये आपका अर्थ है ना, ये सुंदर अर्थ, ये आपका जो है अर्थ की जो एटमॉस्फेयर है, ठीक है ना. अब ये मान लो सन है, अब ये सन जैसे ये सनलाइट जो है आपके एटमॉस्फेयर में पड़ा, एज एंड व्हेन दिस सनलाइट एंटर इनटू योर एटमॉस्फेयर, it spread in all possible direction. I mean in other word you can say that इनकी जो है ना बार बार अगेन एंड अगेन रिफ्लेक्शन होती है. अब रिफ्लेक्शन यू नो ना, द बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ लाइट इन द सेम मीडियम on striking the surface of an object. Here also the tiny most particles, so many triatomic molecules are also present, they are suspended, they are also present in our atmosphere. So light ray get strike to these many particles, those who are present on the atmosphere, in our atmosphere. So after striking, what happened? Light ray get scattered, I mean light ray spread in all possible direction. जहाँ तहाँ जो मन सो डायरेक्शन, कोई भी डायरेक्शन में ये स्प्रेड हो गई, ठीक है ना, ठीक है, स्प्रेड हो गई. अब इस स्प्रेडिंग की जो घटना है, जो लाइट रे जो पूरा छितर गया एक तरह से, मतलब यू नो स्प्रेड हो गया, दैट इज स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ सनलाइट इन ऑल पॉसिबल डायरेक्शन, वी कॉल इट स्कैटरिंग. तो स्कैटरिंग की जो वजह है, वो असली वजह वो स्कैटरर है ना, प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. जो पार्टिकल, जो टाइनी मोस्ट पार्टिकल, व्हाट द पार्टिकल्स आर प्रेजेंट, है ना, विच प्ले अ मेजर रोल इन स्कैटरिंग, दीज पार्टिकल्स वी कॉल इट स्कैटरर. सो मीनवाइल आई एम टेलिंग यू हियर इन दिस स्कैटरिंग ओनली, ठीक है ना, यू नो लाइट है 7 कलर. So out of all the 7 color, like Vibgyor, VIBGYOR, है ना, Vibgyor. अब you tell whose जो है lambda is more और whose lambda is less. तो as compared to this, these 3 lambda is less, है ना, lambda is less, ठीक है ना. Violet, indigo, blue. तो whose lambda is less as per relay scattering, ठीक है, रेले वन ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट वाज देयर. तो एज पर रेले स्कैटरिंग जो है, ये जो स्कैटरिंग की जो इंटेंसिटी होगी वो इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू लैम्डा रेज़ टू पावर 4. आई मीन जिसकी लैम्डा जितनी कम होंगी उनकी स्कैटरिंग उतनी ज़्यादा होगी. तो बताओ किसकी लैम्डा कम है, इसमें से इन तीनों की जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, इनकी जो लिम्डा है यानी वेवलेंथ जो है वो कम है एज कंपेयर टू दिस रेड, ऑरेंज एंड येलो। दैट इज वाई एज ए रिजल्ट, है ना, आवर स्काई अपियर्स ब्लू। नाउ यू गॉट इट, व्हाई द स्काई अपियर ब्लू टू अस, दिस इज द मेन रीजन। ठीक है, स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट। So due to scattering of light, the sky appear blue to us. So that we are telling, but actually it is bluish effect. So this combination gives you bluish effect, है ना? And how this bluish effect we are getting? Because of this Rayleigh scattering. See, when the particle size is, है ना, is less as compared to the wavelength of light, then the scattering intensity will be inversely proportional to the wavelength. I mean, scattering will be the most, है ना, whose wavelength is less. I mean whose wavelength is more, scattering will be least. During sunrise and sunset time mainly, the sun appears reddish to us because see all the other color जो है get scattered because of having less wavelength. But at the same time red color जो है being maximum wavelength, being longest wavelength, they couldn't scatter more as compared to other. And that's why it gives reddish effect. So during sunrise and sunset it appear, the sun or sunny area जो है it appear reddish to you. That is due to this only. So now you get it, what is the main thing behind this. And here I have written also least wavelength जो है scatter the most. Always remember. Okay. Next जो है one more scattering we see, my scattering. As per my scattering, see scatter जो है all color equally. I mean when the particle size जो है is equal to the wavelength of light, then what happen, it will scatter equally all the wavelength. I mean you know na, light has 7 color, so 7 color means as many color as many wavelength, so 7 colors means 7 wavelength, so all the wavelength will scatter equally only. And this is the reason why we see why we often see white color of a cloud. So cloud resemble white color. So what is the reason behind white color of cloud? White color of cloud. So that is due to this, है ना, my scattering. Okay. So this is what under scattering. Next application of scattering, that is important. ठीक है, application of scattering में देखो क्वेश्चन आता है, what is Tyndall effect? So let me tell you, Tyndall effect means scattering of light by colloidal solution, colloidal particle in the sense कि 1 नैनोमीटर से लेकर लगभग 1000 नैनोमीटर तक इस पार्टिकल साइज के द्वारा जो स्कैटरिंग होती है ना, उसको हम लोग टिंडल इफेक्ट बोलते हैं। ठीक है, सो टिंडल इफेक्ट में बेसिकली यू राइट स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट या स्कैटरिंग टेक्स प्लेस by colloidal particle, yeah, by colloidal solution, it's called Tyndall effect. So what are the example of Tyndall effect? They are also asking sometime example of Tyndall effect. So for that you will write headlight in fog. अब you might have seen in fog time जो है, when fog is there around you, that time also headlight is appearing to you, and you might have seen most of the time during winter season. Of course this time also, so sooner you will come to know, you will see road side जो है, peoples are, those vehicles they are, those who are coming, those who are riding vehicles, they are running by switching on the headlight. Why that? So that people would come to know that something is coming, right? So this headlight is visible in fog time and in fog also. This is due to this Tyndall effect. Okay, like a beam of light जो है in a dark, suppose a dark room is there, in that dark room a beam of light is approaching in your room. So in that beam of light you can easily see the dust particle and the sustainable particle present in this beam, and it will give you a beautiful view. So that is one of the canopy also in the jungle area. ठीक है, okay. Next है water and milk. So of course this will make a colloidal solution. Soap solution also this will make a colloidal solution. अच्छा, let me tell you what are the condition of Tyndall effect. This question also let me ask you, है ना, what is the condition of Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect के लिए कंडीशन क्या होनी चाहिए? तो चलो टेल में पहला जो कंडीशन है तो ये है कि जो पार्टिकल साइज है वो इतनी होनी चाहिए। ठीक है, पार्टिकल और मीडियम के बीच देयर शुड बी डिफरेंस इन रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स। ठीक है ना, तो डिफरेंट, तो पहला तो ये हो गया, दूसरा हो गया डिफरेंट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स RI. सो दिस टू आर द कंडीशन ऑफ कंडीशन ऑफ, है ना, कंडीशन ऑफ स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट।